Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the currency in the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture. And on the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. And here in the middle you can see currency. If you tap on it, it will show the available currencies. For example, I would like to see the price in euro. Then I tap on it and I selected the euro. After I go back, you will see the price in euro. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.